In this video, I will share with you how to create Paysera account. So friends, if you want to create account, follow me in these steps. Go to Paysera and go to registration option. From here, you should be download this app on Google Play App Store. When you download this app, steps download this app and tap create this option. Click and create account this option. When you click create your account, write your phone number here, delete one your phone numbers and password your phone numbers. After that, when you click the submit or create account, you will see this page. From here, friends, you should be verify your identity, such password or residence permit, and then when you upload your documents, you will see this page. As you can see here, guys, this is the dashboard. You will get your IBAN after complete these steps for registration. This is how you can do, guys. Just download this app. When you download this app, write your all information, such your email address and this app, and select your countries, and then choose your countries here, document of countries, and then upload your identity. So guys, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video. Also, you can open your business account from here, guys. Just click open your business account and you will see your account.